a mixture of oil and melted butter. Precisely, I am using sunflower oil. Feel free to use either of them or both, as you can see. Next, I will include salt, oregano, thyme, and coriander. At the same time, I will include chicken and garlic powder, paprika and white pepper, chili flakes, and this one here is a bit spicy. Mix everything to combine appropriately and scoop out just about 2 tablespoons of the mixture. Next, begin to transfer the washed and cleansed chicken. Make sure your chicken is completely dried. Coat everything completely with the marinade. Here, you're going to cover it. Allow to marinate anywhere between 30 minutes to overnight. My potatoes have been neatly cleansed and washed, at the same time completely pat dry. This step is very important. Dice each segment into 4 portions or any size of your choice. Now transfer the marinade that we set out earlier on and coat completely on top of the potatoes. Transfer to the baking tray. Place everything flat on the baking tray. This step is very important also. I will transfer to the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for exactly 30 good minutes. 30 minutes later, the potatoes are out of the oven. It takes longer to cook potatoes unlike the chicken. Now I'll place the drumsticks on top of it and then retransfer back to the oven for exactly 1 good hour. Just a reminder, don't forget to turn the chicken around while it is baking in the oven so that the front and back will be properly baked. At the same time, baste it completely with the stock that it will release. Okay, so 1 hour later, the baking process is completed. The chicken is out. I will garnish with fresh parsley, and guys, the recipe is completed and ready. Super delicious, yummy. This chicken was super flavorful. You can pair with any side dish of your choice. Your simple lunch dinner menu is as good as ready. Thank you so much for spending time with me. Remember to share, like, subscribe. Variety is the spice of life. Until I come your way next time, stay blessed. God bless you. Bye for now. Thank you.